Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing everything so the swap is quick and reversible. Open your After Effects project and save a version copy. This protects work if you need to revert. Import the new splash asset, PNG, PSD, or AI, and ensure it matches the target resolution and aspect ratio. Once imported, place it in a dedicated composition folder and rename layers logically. Make sure fonts and linked files are available, because missing links create errors later in the pipeline. Now you replace the old splash with the new asset while preserving animation. Select the original layer and use Replace Footage or Alt+, drag the new file onto it. That keeps existing keyframes intact. Adjust the anchor point and scale to maintain the intended motion, and confirm motion blur and layer modes remain correct. Once aligned, tweak keyframe timing and apply easing for natural movement. If you need a new transition, add a short fade or slide and preview at full resolution to check. Finish by exporting and integrating the updated splash into your build. Choose the appropriate codec and alpha settings. QuickTime with ProRes or PNG sequence if you need transparency, and render via Media Encoder for best compatibility. Once rendered, import the clip into the target application and verify timing, color, and alpha behavior. If something goes wrong, relink missing files, purge the After Effects cache, check codec compatibility, and try a short test clip to isolate the problem. That usually reveals the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.